In this video, I'll show you the tricks on how to make quality videos with your phone. In fact, I use the same setup when I film with my professional camera. So let's get right into that. Hi, my name is Marina Baraeva, and on this channel, I talk about how to grow your personal brand. And nowadays, the good quality video play a big role in that. I'll show you how to make videos with your phone only, and then we'll add some accessories that will help you to make it even better and your filming process easier. Let's start with the thing that will make the whole difference for all of your videos: lighting. When you get how this works, you will be able to recreate it in any similar places. I'm a big fan of natural light. In fact, I've built the whole photography business shooting mostly with it. For that, all you need is a window. I prefer to film in the daytime when the sun is bright. When you plan your filming, notice at what time there is enough sun in the room and when it goes away. At a different time of the year, the sun time might change a little bit. You'll get more sun in summer rather than winter. But once you configure this out, it will be easier to plan your filming. Even on a cloudy day, you can film at the same time when you know that the sun should be bright in the room. You still will have good quality videos, except when there are dark clouds or it's a rainy day or snowy day. Then it gets way too dark, like in the evening. Right now I'm in Russia, and I know that in this room I have a big window and a good sun there is about from 9 a.m. to 2-3 p.m. In my apartment in China, good light is from 12 p.m. to about 4-5 p.m. at this time of the year. Only a few hours. But if you plan your time well, then you can easily film 5 videos during this 3-4 hours, 5 hours, which is a month of content for you if you film in one day. It will save you a lot of time and energy later. Now I'll get to my balcony, so you'll better see how the light works, and you will see the difference between the dark side and light side when you stay in front of the window or even turn yourself. Now look at my face. You will see how it will get darker or lighter depending how I will face the sun. I will just turn around. And you see how light is changing on my face? Now it's like very dark compared to what it was before. And then behind me you see that the sky is super bright. And then I will turn back, facing the sun, facing the window. And here's the trick that will make a huge difference in your filming. So right now is the middle of the day, the sun is very, very bright. And if I get to this part, and when it just lighten my face, and you see all the shadows, it doesn't look good. Now let me step just a little bit back to the shadow on this part. And this is how it look when I will be in the apartment. You see how my face got brighter, lighter, I don't know, more beautiful, younger. The light makes so big difference. And if I will just turn back and now light is right behind me, my face is dark, I look a little bit more tired. Just a little turn of your face, of your body, will make that big difference. The similar thing happens at home. Like, I just came from outside, from over there, and I stay in the shadow and the sun bright more on the back side of me. So look at my face. I will turn now, and you will see the whole difference, that my face got brighter. This is actually my favorite spot, when you face the window and then you the all light from the sun from outside brighten up. You're so beautiful. It's one of my favorite, the most beautiful light I use. Even if I have the artificial light, I have the whole setup, photography setup for filming, for taking pictures. I prefer this light because it's much more beautiful. It's much more easier to create. This is my another favorite spot of filming or taking pictures. Right now, I'm not facing the window directly, but I'm sitting on the side. So my window is over here, you see? And I'm sitting on the sofa, so the light goes from there right to my face. And then here, if I will just turn like this, that way, so the window is on my side, this side gets a little bit darker. I don't really want that, so I'm sitting a little bit like 45 degrees towards the window. And also, as you notice, I have a mirror behind me, so it gets some extra light. It reflects the light from the window, and the window light brightens up my face, and the mirror just brighten up my side and my back a little bit. If I'm in another apartment or in another situation, I like to use this trick just to put maybe a mirror or something white on the side. That way this side would be more bright, would be more light. When you film your videos, pay attention to what is on your background. You could have something like a wall or some pattern like I have behind me. It's important that you will stand out on the background and it won't be messy. And if you film at home, then just clean up everything around and make it look beautiful. And make sure that you still stand out on all of this environment, because you are the main person, the main focus on the video that people should pay attention to. You see how different it is when I'm just on the plain background or I have some stuff behind me. So which one do you like the most? This one or the one in the room? Let me know in the comments below. Pick a sweet spot where you have better lighting and better background. And I will get back to my apartment facing the window. I like that place. When you set up your phone, here are two things that may help you a lot: a tripod and microphone. The tripod will help you to stabilize your phone on the spot. If you don't have a tripod, then you will need to get creative and put your phone on something else. For example, here I use a bunch of books and a book holder. When I use a tripod with a phone, I also have a special holder that I can put at the top instead of my camera. Just put it on the tripod there and it will stay because it have the special part here. Or this part goes with a mini tripod, which I can also put on any books and just then put my phone over here. And I use a bunch of books the same way as I would do with my tripod, just to put it into the same level. Also, a mic will help you to get better quality audio. Right now I use the iPhone with the microphone, Audio-Technica ATR 3350 IS. And here is how it looks like. It sounds like with the microphone. And here I turn off the microphone and I use only the audio which comes with the iPhone. And I use iPhone 11 Pro, so the audio quality is quite good. On the lower models, whether it's iPhone or another brand, the audio can be a little bit bad, so you need to test it. You need to check how you can edit and remove the noise there. For the latest iPhone, you might need an adapter that will help you to connect your microphone, that side, with the connector. And then this side goes to your iPhone. Like this. This is my another adapter for the microphone, which I use with the Audio-Technica. So, because the input and output in iPhone is different, we use the adapter to connect it with the microphone. Or you can use another low budget microphone, which is Boya BYLM10. I'll put the links into everything, all the accessories and microphones, into the descriptions below, so you can go check them out. Now, it's not necessary to have a tripod and microphone, but they will be very helpful. And as you can see, the audio was a little bit different when I filmed with the microphone and without it. The next step is make sure that there are no other sounds around. Usually, I also turn off my fridge when I film video or record a podcast episode, because it makes a lot of noise. A funny story, when I started doing that, I forgot to turn it on after. So everything was melting in the morning, all the food. And then I thought, if I make the freezing level higher, it will get back to normal fast. Guess what happened? Later I forgot to switch it back to the normal level of freezing too. And I got to cook that day heavy frozen tomatoes, like the iced tomatoes. That funny situations made me create a special checklist. Here comes our 5th step of how to make quality videos with your phone. The checklists are very important. They help you to remember the small details, the small things, and keep there everything you need to do or prepare before or after you film your videos. And don't forget to turn on your fridge, unless you like iced tomatoes. Here's what you need to remember. Check each point when you plan to make quality videos with your phone. Know the time when good sunlight fills your room. Charge your phone and prepare a cable for charging if suddenly it powers off. The next one is clean your phone to get more space for your video. Set up your phone horizontally. If you film vertically, like for Instagram stories or TikTok, then your final video will have dark sides on the screen here. The next one, check your batteries on the mic if you use it. And also, if you are a woman, start preparing about 2 hours before for having enough time to take your shower, do your hairstyle, makeup, and all this beauty stuff that take time. Once you've done with all of this, you are ready to film. Prepare 3 to 5 scripts or outlines in advance so you can film several videos in one day. It will save you a lot of time and energy during the month if you film more than one video. For example, today I filmed 4 videos, one after another. If you need more content ideas, check this video when I share in detail how to get packed with the content for the whole year. I also put the link into the description below. And then the last very important tip to remember when you make videos with your phone. It's look into the camera. When people watch your videos, it's more difficult to get the viewer's attention. You will get it with what you say, what you do, your gestures, and looking people into their eyes. Often when you film yourself with the front camera, you have a very strong desire to see how beautiful you are, to look at yourself, your gesture, how you do this. That's why people will see that you look somewhere on the side. Remember, camera is there. Not here when you look at yourself, but a little bit on this side. That's why you will look right into people's eyes. Here are my tips on how to make videos with your phone. From all of that, once you understand how to catch good light and audio, it significantly will improve the quality of your videos, and then all you will need to do is practice with the rest. In the comments, let me know how your filming is going, and if you have any questions, write them down below too. Also, make sure to check the videos over there for more content creation tips and tricks.